on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with the brand new Traverse, the Chevy Traverse. Looks like this. Doing a couple for IIT. Just want to show you in the back for the Hideaways how to install them. First off, this panel here, it's all going to pop straight down with the retainer clips very easily. There's one screw you need to take out right here. Sorry, right there. There'll be one screw, and the rest of this panel is going to pop all the way off. You're going to need to take this out too, but the panel pops out relatively easily. And then in here on the lights, you can see right there where you can get your Hideaway installed. We don't even take the lights out when we do these. We just put them in place right there. As you can see, that's the reverse light in the hatch. Same thing over here on the other side. There's your reverse light in your hatch. So that's how you can get a Hideaway in the Chevy Traverse. And then of course, you'll run your wiring down. I left the side panels on. We're gonna run it through here. As you can see, we've already pulled a wire through this factory boot right here. It's coming out underneath the headliner, going through the boot, coming back out inside the gate. We'll put our module in here, we'll tidy all this up, and what that's gonna give us is our Hideaway right there in our reverse lens on the Chevy Traverse light, like this. Traverse tail light. Thanks again for watching, hope this helps.